Hey, it's Kelly from MX Hideout. If you just followed your spark plug within the first couple minutes of riding, listen up. I was just tuning this YZ250 two-stroke. I started up, let it idle for a couple minutes, and then I rode it, and within about a minute, it started to bog out, died, couldn't get it started again. Had to push it back to the garage. Thankfully, I was close. It was definitely wet and oily, but it's dried off a little bit since then. This is definitely fouled. So how do you prevent this from happening? You might think that, oh, well, two strokes, they aren't meant to sit and idle or putt around, or else they're gonna foul plugs. Well, that's actually wrong, because I trail ride a lot of two strokes, lug them at low RPM. You can let them idle for minutes at a time, although they're not meant for it because they'll get hot, but they don't foul plugs, and it's because they're properly tuned, as in the carburetor, the jetting. I am gonna throw in this brand new spark plug. I'm gonna change the jetting, and what I'm actually gonna do is, it's most likely due to the pilot jet circuit being too rich, because the pilot jet controls idle to roughly quarter turn throttle response, and that's where you're spending that time idling and putting around those first couple minutes when it fouls the plug. So by going leaner on the pilot jet circuit, you are gonna reduce your chance of fouling a spark plug, plus it's gonna start easier and have better throttle response. But before you even change the pilot jet, you wanna test the air screw to see what setting is best, to know if you need to actually go down a size or if you just need to lean out the air screw. And if you want to learn how to do that in just a few minutes, I got a free guide. The link is in the description below. No throttle. That is good. That is how it should start. I'm Kelly from MX Hideout. Ride safe, have fun.